Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to do the Typography Face on CapCut. Now if you want your videos to stand out, this will really do it. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So the first thing to do is come up to text. Then let's drag any text box onto the timeline. Now I'm going to do a soccer theme. So I'll type soccer. Then we want to copy the text and paste it onto our timeline. Now we want to change the words and also the size. And you want to repeat this until you get a long load of words. So I'll speed this process up. And once you've got a full line like that, I'll just keep it basic for this tutorial. You want to highlight all the words that you've created, right click and select Create Compound Clip. Then on the compound clip you want to copy it and paste it onto your timeline, and now you can readjust the size and move it around the timeline, and you want to get a whole host of different size clips, and you just want to copy and paste the compound clip and keep making a large collection of words. Now I'm happy with that. Granted, this really could be better, but let's move on to the next step. Come up to media, then drag your media onto the timeline. Now I'm going to get this guy's face much bigger on the screen, so I'll edit it down so his face is better on screen like that. Then we want to highlight our media, come to the right hand side, video basic, then down to blend, select the drop down in mode, and then select multiply, and there you go. At any stage you can adjust the media so the Typography Face looks better. Also, if you want it to really stand out, come over to adjustments and change the brightness, the whites and things like that, and it will really make the Typography Face stand out. But that's how to do the Typography Face on CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.